Hi everyone. For this week, we're going to be reading chapters 11 and 12. In chapters 11 and 12, we're going to be focused on the role of the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate is going to be a very important concept that all of us can relate to in the course. This concept will help us be able to understand how changes in the unemployment will help us make better decisions in our economy. The unemployment rate is looking at what percentage of the adult population is 16 years or older and that are not working. It's going to be one of the key things that we're going to have to look at in our analysis. You're going to be looking at your participation in the discussion board, as you will be needing to focus on your application of economic terms, your ability to increase the knowledge and analysis in your work, and proper APA formatting. These are some key things that you're going to look at that I'm going to focus on with your analysis. So if we click on the discussion board and we look at the prompt, the unemployment rate is a very important rate for the U.S. economy. You're going to try to focus on the term unemployment, the trends. So first define the unemployment rate, what the unemployment rate means to yourself. Then you're going to focus on how the trends have been impacted in the last 10 to 20 years. Then after you look at that, you're going to be focusing on how those implications will impact decisions that firms and households will have to make in our economy. Those are going to be key things that you're going to focus on. You're going to focus on the factors. You're going to focus on also your analysis as well, and how the challenges of the unemployment rate will change based on our economy. Now, if you have any additional questions or you need additional resources on this, please let me know as I look forward to your effort.